Assalamualaikum guys, welcome back to my another video. So today I'm going to show you my new mobile phone which I bought it on Wednesday this week. In London it launched on Wednesday, so I just bought it. So at the end of the video I will tell you the price, so just wait and watch till the end. So first let me show you my mobile phone. Yep, so this one, Oneplus 60. So yep, let me show you. Oneplus 60 and unlock the speed. At the back they said 128 GB storage and mirror black color. So over here the Snapdragon. So I will tell you about this phone. So let's open the box. So yes guys, open the box. At this one, first let me show you this one. This one is saying that the fingerprint is not at the back of the mobile phone, is in the screen. So I will show you. Just leave it. Let's do this. So, ta-da! So this is my phone, OnePlus 60, and at the top over here, so you can see the front camera. Yep, and so this phone, and the screen size is 6.41 inch, something like that. And yep, at the back, look at this, dual camera, OnePlus, this, and over here they said designed by OnePlus. I know you can't see, but now you can see, designed by OnePlus here. So let's put aside this one and let me show you inside of the box. This one, first open this one. So yeah, so this is the back cover, and this is a book. So the book open from here. This one, this is a pen, this messages, the card in the book, and that's all the things. So here, let's put back. So over here they said invitation letter, so I don't want to read. And now over here, so this is the cable. Wait, let me show you. This is the cable. This is the dash charger, which charge this mobile 60% in 30 minutes, I guaranteed. So this, and let me show you this one. So this is for the headphone jack, because let me show you. You can see over here, look, there's no headphone jack. There's charger, cable, port, and microphone and speaker. So that's why they gave us this small cable to just, wait, let me show you. Yeah. So let me turn on the phone. It will take 2 to 3 minutes. So this is a phone, you know, I told you that I bought it on Wednesday, so that's why I use this mobile. So yes guys, this is my phone, and Over here I have Fortnite game, 8-ball pool, PUBG, and GTA Sandware. Oh, sorry, GT Racing. First of all, let's go to settings and let me show you the storage. You can see over here that the total storage is 128. Yep, which I tell you at the beginning of the video. And about phone, I will go over here and you can see the RAM. It's 8 GB and 128 storage. So that's all the things. Yep. And the Oxygen OS version is 9.0.3. Now let's go back and yep. Let me show you other things. So first go to the camera. Let me show you the back camera. So guys, look at the result. Yes, look at the result of this mobile. And yeah, this is the back camera. And another things, guys, I want to tell you that so over here on the left side it has the volume button, and over here they have the power button and the vibrator button. So let me show you. So this is the fingerprint. Nice, gonna work. Look, it's worked. Okay, so yeah, let me tell you the camera pixels, megapixels. So the front is 16 megapixels, and at the back, the top one I think is 16. Yeah, 16 megapixel, and the below one is 20 megapixel. So this is the phone. If you look at the OnePlus 6, so they have the fingerprint sensor over here. So now in OnePlus 60 is on the screen. Yep. So okay, so guys, now I'm giving the review on OnePlus 60. So this phone has HD display. This phone is very fast because it has 8 GB RAM and 128 GB storage. So you can save your files, photos, videos, and you can also download high graphic games and you can play on it. So the last thing I want to talk about is the price. So the price is £530 in London. So if you want to buy in Pakistan, you can buy from there, but you can buy OnePlus 6. You cannot buy OnePlus 60 because it haven't launched yet. So you can buy OnePlus 6 from mega.pk. So the price is 73,000. So you can buy from there. Okay, so guys, I will see you in the next video. Till next time, Assalam alaikum.
बाबूजी ने कहा बेटा लैला को छोड़ दो, लैला ने कहा कि मेला होना छोड़ दो, मैलो ने कहा जानी गुटका छोड़ दो, गुटका जहाँ मिले फौरन मुफ्ता तोड़ दो। बाबूजी ने कहा बेटा लैला को छोड़ दो, लैला ने कहा मेला होना छोड़ दो, मैलो ने कहा जानी गुटका छोड़ दो, और आमिर भाई ने कहा बेटा छोड़ दो फेंक दो।